Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am sharing a video with you, and I am here in Lerik, Azerbaijan. Lerik is the most beautiful part of Azerbaijan. As you can see, it's a mountainous areas with multicolor trees here. And today is the 10th November 2024, and you can enjoy the beauty of Azerbaijan alongside with me. You can see there are very beautiful trees, and this is called forest that is near the city of Lerik, and it's a very beautiful region of the country. Azerbaijan is a peaceful country. You can say Azerbaijan is a hub for tourism and transit trade. Recently, and nearly within 1 or 2 years, Azerbaijan trade increased like 5,000 containers every month traveling from China to Europe and Europe to China. So it's a regional hub for the transit trade. And secondly, you can see nearly 8 million tourists coming to Azerbaijan every year. So a beautiful country with the growing economy. Azerbaijan is a green, lush green country, and you can see wherever I say Azerbaijan has 25% forest. That's why one of the healthy place for living, one of the safest place for living, and a crime free country where even police don't have guns here in Azerbaijan. So if you are a wealthy person and you want to invest anywhere, Azerbaijan is one of the beautiful country where your investment grow nearly 35 to 50% every year. And secondly, Azerbaijan has a good rental return. Recently, there is a conference here, COP29, and occupancy in all hotels and all the tourist resorts and facilities here 100%. So the hotel which has a room rate like 80 or 50 to 80 manat, today that hotel has 800 to 1000 manat per day room rate, and all booking.com is full and there is no occupancy. It means that 100% occupancy in Azerbaijan. So if you are interested to build a hotel, a hostel, or a tourist resort, Azerbaijan is one of the most beautiful and one of the most secure and a tourist destination where you can build this tourism related infrastructure. If you are a logistic company or a transport company, this could also be one of the best destination. So you can start your livestock farm like a cow farm or sheep farm here, and you can export your live animals to Turkey and Middle East from here. Azerbaijan is bordering country with Turkey and bordering country with Russia and Georgia. Azerbaijan, that's why called gateway to Europe, gateway to Russia, gateway to Turkey, and gateway to Central Asia. Azerbaijan is a Euro-Asian country, one of the most beautiful, one of the most stable country where your investment is safe and annually growing 35% to 40% or sometime 50%, and you are getting rental returns that are 12% to 15% every year, and capital gain alongside this. So Azerbaijan has two sectors which are duty free. One is the livestock farming or any kind of farming, and second is the tourism sector. So if you want to invest in tourism sector or for agriculture sector, these two sectors are 100% duty free and as well as tax free. So any investor who want to invest in Azerbaijan, they can contact us with the Real Mentor Investments. We can help you to make a company in Azerbaijan, to hire staff, and as well as to make your business contacts in Azerbaijan. We can arrange B2B meetings in Azerbaijan for you. So a real businessman or real investor, those who want to invest in Azerbaijan, they can contact us. You want to invest in rental properties, you want to invest in commercial properties, you want to invest in warehouses, so anywhere we are here to guide you, because there are some language barriers in Azerbaijan. So if you feel that there is a barrier, we are here to provide you services. So anybody who want to invest in residential or commercial property, they can contact us, or anybody who want to expand their business, expand their exports, want to start manufacturing activity here or manufacturing facility here, we will be here to facilitate you. I hope this video was useful for you. Hope to see you in the next video, and we will share different opportunities. Like anybody want to small trade setup, international trade setup here, we can help you to open a company, to register your office, and to hire staff here. And also, if anybody want to invest in a residential or commercial properties, we will be happy to help you and provide you services. Real Mentor Investments is a legal registered platform here in Azerbaijan, and we will continue to share information related Azerbaijan, economy of Azerbaijan, and as well as different scope and potential of investments in Azerbaijan, so you can better decide. Hope to see you in the next video. This was a wonderful view, and I like it to share with you, and so you can enjoy the view and get some information. Thank you very much for your time. Hope to see you in the next video.